Alright guys, so in the previous section we talked about the power of silence and how the power of silence enables you to reduce a bunch of your flakes, which essentially means that less is more. By learning to implement the power of silence, it will definitely eliminate a lot of flakes and it will increase attraction with minimal effort. In this section we're going to talk about a couple kiss closing techniques that if you guys could implement in your game right now, you could definitely skyrocket your results. Alright, so we're going to be going over one, the mentality that you should have when it comes to going for the kiss. Two, the different kind of kiss closes. I'm going to be teaching you guys 3 different ways to kiss close. In 1, how to kiss close in 30 seconds. 2, how to kiss close in almost any occasion. And 3, a last alternative on how to kiss close, which pretty much ensures that you can either get the kiss or not. Okay. And also I'm going to be teaching you guys the signs that you should look for whether or not a girl wants to be kissed. Alright. Okay, so let's talk about the mentality. 1, you don't need permission to be confident, but you do need permission to escalate. In other words, look out for those signs that a girl doesn't want to be kissed. Those signs are, 1, when you touch a girl, she tenses up, she becomes tense. And the other one, which is the most important, is when a girl's proximity towards you. Notice how close she is to you. Notice how close she walks next to you whenever you guys are interacting. Notice if she walks a little further from you or if she's very close to you to the point where she's brushing shoulders. These are the signs that you should look for when a girl wants to be kissed. 1, when you touch her, she doesn't tense up or she doesn't back off like that. Alright, so a way to find out if a girl wants to be kissed, just say, hey look, you got something in your hair. And when you go towards removing something that she has in her hair, notice if she backs off like that. If she like, oh, what are you doing? Notice if she goes like that, or if she just tense still. Okay, or ask her if she has something in her face and just go like that. Notice how she reacts. Does she tense up or does she back off? That's a sign of whether or not she's comfortable enough for you to go for the kiss. Another thing is, if you guys are walking and you guys just met, notice how she walks towards you. If she walks to the point that she's brushing shoulders, that's a huge sign of attraction. So that means you can either go for the kiss right now or later on. Either or, proximity equals attraction. Okay, so how do you kiss a girl within the first 30 seconds? It's simple. When you meet her, when you just met her, right, you can either meet her, this could be either your first time meeting her or this could be your first date, right? When you approach her, when you go to say hi, shake her hand, right? Shake her hand, but don't let go. Let her be the one who lets go first, okay? That's the first key. When you shake your hand, let her be the one that lets go. 2, when you shake your hand and you don't let go, maintain eye contact, okay? So when you're talking to her, hey, what's up? And keep eye contact, okay? Don't let go of the hand. Don't let her if she lets go, that's fine. But if she doesn't let go, keep the hand there, okay? 3, when you guys are talking and you guys keep eye contact, talking is slower and more in a lower tone kind of voice, okay? So that she can follow you. For example, you just met her and you be like, so, for example, you could be like, hey, what's up? How you been? Oh, nothing. Oh, nice. It's nice to see you. What you been up to all day? No, not much. And include a silence, and notice how she reacts to the silence of that moment, because you're holding hands, you guys are making eye contact, and she's speaking at a tone that's similar to yours, but also she's chilled in the silence. She's not reacting to silence. When you have those things aligned, that means that you can either go for the kiss and she will not reject you, and it also means that she is attracted to you. Okay, so when you have that compliance, when you're shaking her hand and she doesn't let go, you guys are making eye contact and she's not breaking it despite of the awkward silence, and also she's also matching your rhythm and talking in a very similar way that you're talking. You can either just give her a hug, like you just like, oh my god, so nice to see you. Hold her hand, put her around you, give her a hug, okay, and just go for the kiss. Okay, so if she says, what are you doing, just say, oh my bad, something just got to me, you're just so fucking adorable, anyways, and change the subject and keep walking towards your date or talk to her about what she's doing. What I've noticed is that when I do this and these things are aligned, most of the time they don't get mad because they felt what was going on. You see, because if she went along with you with the whole quiet eye contact, not letting go of the handshake, going for the hug, and she came to you like that, that's a huge sign. So you didn't lose anything for going for the kiss. Actually, it increases attraction when you try and go for the kiss. Another way you can go for the kiss is if you're at any occasion, just say wait, stop. Okay, so just, for example, you guys are talking, you guys are walking, just say wait, 1 second. What? Just go like that, just wait and make eye contact. Okay, don't say nothing, just say wait. Okay, and if she says something, just say shh, 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 shh. Like shh, 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 shh. And when you go like that, shh, 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 move towards the left, like saying, be quiet. Notice how she reacts to you putting your hand on her lips. If she goes like that, whoa, that's fine, okay? But when you go like shh, 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 do it in a slow way so that she knows what's coming. And if she doesn't move, when you're gonna touch your lip, go for the kiss. So like that, shh, 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 you go like that, and then go for the kiss. Like have a chin and go for the kiss. Okay? This could be used in any occasion. You could be in the movie theater. Just say wait. She says what? Shh, 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 shh. And just go for the kiss. You guys could be walking. Wait. Shh, shh, shh. It doesn't need to be wait. It could be like, hey, 1 second. Like anything, just stop the rhythm or whatever you guys are doing. Okay, that's the way to go for the kiss. It can be used in any occasion. Another thing you could do is, I call it the triangle kiss. Okay, so you guys are talking. This is the last occasion. If you tried everything, right? You guys are talking. You could just say, oh my God, you're so fucking adorable, right? So just go kiss her on the left cheek, back off, kiss her on the right cheek, mwah, and back off, and then go for the front kiss. Okay. Now what you want to do is when you go for the first cheek, okay, notice how she reacts. If there's no tension, okay, go for the other one, mwah. And if she just goes like this, like if you go for this chick, she goes like this, okay, that's a sign that she may not want to be kissed, okay. But still, go for the front kiss after that, okay. So you're just doing a triangle like mwah, mwah, and mwah. Alright, and most of the time that usually works out to get the kiss. So you gotta at least get a peck, okay. And once you get the kiss, always be the one who stops the whole kissing. So you kiss her, mama, say that's it. That's what you get for now, and keep talking, okay. And if you get rejected for after going for the kiss, just be cool about it and just change the subject. You see? So that's how you go for the kiss. The 30-second kiss close, the wait, stop, and the triangular kiss close. So in the next section, we're going to be talking about contained value. This is a technique that you guys can use that will help you radiate confidence, radiate positivity, and fix a whole bunch of subcommunication issues that you have that's messing up a lot of your interaction with women. That if you know how to do this, which doesn't require a lot of thought, if you know how to do this, your game and who you are will dramatically be changed and transformed in such a positive fashion that women will flock over you. Alright? It's called Contained Positivity. So I'll see you in the next session. Take care.